Okay, so I got me some bacon chopped up. I am going to fry this bacon and make sure that my bacon is crispy. Now, on my new chopping boards that were given to me by Royal Craft Wood, see the insignia right now? Yep. I am going to chop me some onion to go into my spinach and bacon dip. You're going to need about this much of onion. And if you guys like my chopping board that is made from bamboo, you can go online on Amazon and buy these chopping boards from Royal Craft Wood. I will leave a link to their Amazon's website store in the description box below, okay? These are very nice chopping boards. You can even put them in the washer. Your dishwasher, I mean, not your washer and dryer. I mean your dishwasher. And they will come out just fine, okay? Now let's move on to the next part of our video. You see this, you see that? You want some crunchy bacon, okay? And yes, it's some oil because bacon got fat on it. But that's all you need. See that? It cooks down. So when it cooks down, that's only about a cup and a half of bacon. You see this? This spinach was frozen. I thawed it out and I drained it. And I squeezed the water out of it with my hand. And this is just one 10-ounce bag of spinach. Just frozen spinach. Or you can use canned spinach, okay? Okay, so now I have some artichokes. My artichokes came out of a can. They're not fresh artichokes. And I'm just gonna cut these up, okay? Spinach, bacon, and artichoke dip. I love me some spinach dip. I used to go to Old Charlie's and get them, but guess what? They done closed Old Charlie's down in my city and in LaGrange, Georgia. So here in Columbus, Georgia, we don't have an Old Charlie's right now. Wow. And I love that spinach dip. Oh well, I'll be getting it from Cheddar's spinach dip. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut these artichokes up to some very small, fine pieces, y'all, so I can make this delicious spinach dip. And I hope you guys can learn how to make spinach dip too, okay? If you've never made it before. If you like spinach dip, give me a hand down in the comment section below to let me know if you like spinach dip and if you ever made it before. What do you guys do to make your spinach dip taste so delicious? I'm gonna place in some cream cheese. Okay, I'm gonna place in an 8-ounce container of sour cream. So this is 8 ounces. Ooh, y'all, I'm ready to eat this spinach dip. So I'm gonna add in a cup of mayo. I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of hot sauce. Yep, a tablespoon of hot sauce. Like adding me some seasoning salt. About a teaspoon of seasoning salt, okay? Then I'm gonna add in some garlic powder. And I'm gonna add in about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And just 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna mix this together with this cream cheese. Mix everything together. Make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature softened, okay? Mix all this together well, like so. See, I had mine sitting out on the counter, so that made it easy to mix that cream cheese. And that's just 1 block of cream cheese. If you like more, go for it. Ain't nothing wrong with that, honey. Who's stopping you? Nobody. So I got me a bag of provolone and mozzarella blend. It got shredded, not smoked provolone and low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese. That's what I got. That's what I'm using. Okay. Remember, that's just part of the cheese. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in some of this mild cheddar cheese. And that is about 1 cup of the mild cheddar cheese. Now I'm gonna add in some Parmesan cheese, okay? Because that's what it needs, some Parmesan cheese. You can't have spinach dip without some Parmesan cheese in it. Just ain't gonna taste right. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in my bacon. Preserve some of the bacon to go on the top to make it look all nice and pretty, okay? So leave you a little bit of your bacon for the top. Now we're gonna get ready to add in our artichoke that I chopped up. Now this is gonna make a lot of spinach dip, okay? Don't think you're right. It's gonna make a huge amount of spinach. I'm gonna add in the onions that we diced up. I'm gonna leave you some good measurements in the description box. The last thing I added in right here is the spinach. So let me go ahead and get this all mixed in together. Okay, so I'm not gonna cook all of my spinach dip right away. I'm cooking a small amount for right now, okay? Because I'm gonna give the other amount to my sister. So in this very small pan that I have here, I am going to place a small amount of my spinach dip. Okay, so get you some in your pan for baking and preheat your oven, okay, to 350, 375 degrees. Okay, so on the top, before you get ready to bake it, just add you a little bit of cheese, some of that mozzarella and provolone cheese and Parmesan cheese to the top. And you are going to bake this until you get a nice brown golden crisp on the top. The exact time will be in the description box below, everybody, okay? Add some of this Parmesan that I have left over to the top. So we get a nice pretty crisp on our spinach dip, okay? And if you like cheddar like I do, you just add a hint of that here and there. Okay, so into the oven we go with our delicious spinach, bacon, and artichoke dip. And yes, I had that aluminum foil down there in case something starts to spill over. Okay, everybody, so this is my spinach dip, fresh out of the oven. It's only been out for like a few minutes. This is what I'm eating it with. Ooh, these salsa verde Tostitos are so good. How many of y'all like them? Leave me a comment down below. Okay. So I know this still hot. It hasn't set at all. And I put that bacon on top. It didn't give like a great cheese pull because I got a lot of spinach in here. I could have left it in there a little longer in the oven. Ooh, I'm finna taste this. Ooh. Don't that look good? Don't. Oh! Okay, y'all. Don't laugh at me, but this is good. Like, This is a good way to eat some spinach, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. I keep wasting it. But look at it. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Thank y'all for joining me Cooking with TK. Stay tuned to my channel for another great video. Peace, love, and have a wonderful day.